All right. Next move is going to be the swipe. All right. I'm going to show you what a swipe looks like. So I guess this will be a lesson for everybody. All right. I'm going to show you what a swipe looks like first. Then we'll break it down. All right. This is what a swipe looks like. Alright? Swipes, hey guys, listen up. Swipes are basic power move. It's a basic power move. It's the first one where your feet, no, your feet leave the ground on windmill as well. But it's a basic power move. Alright? So, I'm going to break down the steps. Okay, you got to pay very close attention. Alright, and we'll move the camera here so I can be looking at you guys as I'm doing this. Okay? All right, so the steps is going to start here. I'm going to start in this kind of position here. All right, then my left hand is going to go up. If you are right-handed, you have to start with your left hand, and you go to your left. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, start with your right hand, go to your right. Very important. Okay. All right, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to my left. Okay, I have to go up. That's one. Okay? It doesn't go like this. That's incorrect. You can't have two hands on the ground. Okay? Everybody say one.
One.
Okay? Everybody say two.
Two.
Good. That's it. Back to start. My feet stay together.
One.
One.
Two. Three.
Two.
One.
Okay? That's it. If you're left-handed, you go to your right. All right? Now, how do you add the hop in? Okay? First, you have to get that part down, then you add the hop. Okay? So start here. One. Two. The hop is going to be on three. I'm going to hop and switch my hands at the same time. Three. Okay? You have to understand that motion. All right? It's a three-step for the hop. One.
Two. Three.
It's a small hop. This move has to kind of be learned in phases. Just like the windmill, right? You kind of have to learn it in phases. So you learn that 1, 2. For learning 1, 2 first. Without doing this is not correct. You can't be in this position. The hands have to switch over. Okay? Then you add the hop. All right? What's the name of that move, guys?
Swipe.
Swipe. Practice.